Hello everyone, are you currently looking for a job related to data and analytics? Are you an aspiring data analyst or data scientist? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Alright, so do you know that data science and analytics is one of the most in demand and is considered as one of the most high paying jobs today? According to the research conducted by the IBM, being a data analyst or data scientist will continue to dominate the marketplace in the next 35 years. And this is a fact. The average monthly salary of a typical or a newly graduate data analyst or data scientist is at 35 to 45,000 monthly. And for the experienced data analyst or data scientist, the average salary is at 120,000 to 250,000 monthly. All right. So are you ready to shine and become one of the members of the data science bandwagon? All right. So before anything else, I'd like to introduce myself. This is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 18 years of experience in technology and analytics. This coming August 30, I will embark my new journey as a Director for Data and Analytics at SGB and Company. Yesterday, August 26, 2022, I ended my services at TDCX Philippines as a Senior Business Insights Manager 2. Alright, so at TDCX, I manage three pillars of the organization, namely the reports and visualization, the analytics and insights, and the reports development and automation. As you know, my team in TDCX encapsulate the definition of data science, which is the interdisciplinary skills in statistics and data mining, computer science, and business management. Prior to TDCX Philippines, I am the Senior Data Scientist and Artificial Intelligence Lead for Innovation at the Asian Development Bank. And prior to ADB, I am the Senior Associate Manager at Accenture Philippines. So I am attached at the Advanced Technology Centers of the Philippines. Alright, so I'd like to thank all the businesses who sent their proposals to partners with Statisticsdoctor Consultancy. Statisticsdoctor Consultancy was my company founded in 2015 as a data science and statistics consulting firm situated in Quezon City and Santa Mesa, Manila. For more data science and statistical consultation, you may visit our website at statisticsdoctor.com. Alright, so thank you very much. Refocus Education for trusting Statistics Doctor Consultancy. Tutorialspoint.com, and also Saltius Education, one of the leading education provider in Singapore. Of course, all the courses that we offer are also available in Udemy, LearnDesk.com, and other platforms. Alright, so if you are invited for an interview, all you need to do is to conduct research about the interviewer, the courses he took up in college, his experience, the industry where he worked at currently and before, and from there, you can be able to ascertain your skills based on his skills and expertise. Alright, so practice and try to put yourself in the shoes of the interviewer. Okay, so there is no actually formula on how to win the interview, but what you can do is to expect the unexpected. So that's why you need to put yourself in the shoes of the interviewer, and it is very necessary to know more about the details of the interviewers. Alright, so nandito ako ngayon sa opisina po ng SGB and Company. Masyadong maulan, kaya po hindi sinasadya ay nabuenamanuhan po ako at nadulas. So maraming salamat nga po pala sa mga guard on duty dito sa SGB and Company because nakahanda po sila to help me and to give ano ba tawag dito? Ayan, medication. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong right term dyan. Best medication. So, nakaready po si guard to, ayun, first aid. Ayan, so, maraming salamat po, guard ng SGB and Company for always ready. Ayan, no, ginagamot niya. So, masakit po yan. Nisprayan niya ng alcohol, tapos betadine yung aking sugat. Tapos, nung bumisita ako sa opisina, ayan, so, kapag nagpalipat-lipat po kasi ako ng building, so, SGB1, SGB2, tapos pumunta ako sa Bankmer building ng SGB. Napakalaki pala ng SGB, no? So, ayun, tinulungan naman nila po ako at naka-wheelchair ako, imagine. So, naka-ready po sila. So, maraming salamat, SGB and the company. So, napakaganda po ng inyong pamamalakad. This is one of the company that I am always looking for, no? Yung mayroong malasakit, yung mayroong, kumbaga, tawag dito, simpatya o tulong sa mga empleyado, no? At nung pumasok po ako sa opisina, napakaganda po ng SGB and Company. And ito po yung kumbaga, nakaka-amaze. Okay? Nakaka-amaze. Bagamat ako ay nasa leadership role na, nagulat po ako kasi nung ma-meet ko yung ilan sa mga tao doon sa loob ng opisina, my God, napakababata pa po ng mga principal consultant. My God. So sabi ko, mas matanda pa ako sa principal consultant. Nakakahiya. No, nakakahiya kasi kung sana noon pa ay nagsumikap na ako, binilisan ko pa ang pagsisikap. Nag-explore pa ako, nag-aral pa ako, sana maaga kong narating ang kung ano ang meron ako sa kasalukuyan. Kung sana nagsumikap ako noon pa, sana ay kasing level ko sila. No? But that is the reality, no? Hindi natin alam kasi ang takbo ng panahon sapagkat sa kasalukuyan, sinasabi ko nga sa aking mga estudyante sa university na hindi tama na matakot kayo sa akin bilang professor. Hindi tama na ituring ninyo ako na mas magaling, mas mahusay sa inyo sapagkat sa totoo lamang po, no, napakahuhusay, napakagagaling ng mga kabataan sa kasalukuyan. Dahil na rin po siguro sa dami ng sources of information, sa mga tulong po na kanilang nakukuha sa kanilang pag-aaral, ay mas malawak na yung kanilang kaalaman. Mas, kumbaga, advanced na yung kanilang skills. At talagang nakasabay sila sa pag-unlad ng teknolohiya.